Hi guys, how are you doing today? So today we are planning to unbox few important things. These are the most important things for our channel, YouTube channel. So I have unboxed. You would have already seen one of the previous video that I'm unboxing a monitor, and this is the most important unbox which we are going to do, and that is nothing but DJI OM4. This is a smartphone gimbal which we are planning to unbox. Okay, this is a very important thing which has a lot of new features, and the price I have purchased DJI OM4 SE. The price is also very less compared to the DJI OM4. Nothing but you will not get a magnetic ring. That small ring which we would go ahead and paste it on our mobile. Anyway, I'm not going to paste it on a mobile, so that is not useful for me. So this is very important accessory for any YouTuber or any vlogger, because I have encountered lot of issues without this gimbal, because whenever I do something like for example, if you go see the Z900 showroom visit, I had to shoot it in I did it in a ZV-1 Sony ZV-1 camera, but still what happened is like I had a lot of problems, like video had a lot of jittery images. So while editing I felt really bad, and I have few friends who have this kind of gimbal, but even then I don't like asking, so I have purchased this on EMI. It costed me somewhere around 8,000. I have purchased it on EMI, that is 400 rupees per month, and it is 24 months. For 24 months I have purchased. I hope this will help our channel. Okay, and I really love it, because like if I wanted to buy a gimbal for my camera Sony ZV-1, it is costing me more than the camera price. So I think I think that I should invest on mobile gimbal instead of going for a camera gimbal. So that is when I decided to buy this. I hope this helps me with my channel. Okay guys, now let's unbox this DJI OM4 SE. Okay guys, while unboxing this gimbal, I wanted to tell you, I'm not an expert, but still I wish to say that this is the most affordable gimbal packed with features which you can never even imagine. This is actually a revolution in mobile gimbal industry because of the reliable, strong mobile magnetic mount, which is the selling point for this gimbal. The new model DJI OM5 is already in the market, but still people prefer to buy this because of the price and considering the few disadvantages in DJI OM5. To name a few cons, first is the price, which is a little bit higher than the DJI OM4 SE, and few other cons like iPhone app is more capable than Android app. Holding this gimbal arm is little bit difficult compared to this DJI OM4 SE, and then comes the questionable tripod durability. I'm not sure how long this tripod will survive, and then no USB-A charging port. So these are the points I considered while I wanted to purchase a mobile gimbal, and yes, that's the reason I have chosen DJI OM4 SE. This is the DJI OM4 SE mobile gimbal. And if you take a closer look, this is the zoom button which you see here, and the branding is mentioned in the hinge, and this is for taking videos and all these things. This is the charging port which I am talking about. This is not available in DJI OM5 SE. This is a spacers for a small phone, and this is the magnetic mount, the revolutionary magnetic mount which will be provided to you. Unfortunately, the magnetic ring is not given. This is the very important accessory for anyone, because unlike other tripods, this one is very useful because it will make the surface completely flat, and you can even mount your monopod, and this also comes with a normal USB-C charging cable. So these are the accessories which you get, and inside this box, let's see what we get. We will be getting a small pouch with DJI Osmo branding, and then a small lanyard. That's all we get. This super strong lanyard is very helpful. You can even tag your GoPro or other cameras to it. And then we will get few booklets, warranties, or instruction manual, all these things inside this box. So that's all we get inside this box, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. I didn't post any videos, but even then I see a lot of new subscribers coming in, and Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlogs and watching these videos, watching all my videos, and providing me a lot of inputs through comments and giving me feedbacks through likes. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and this means a lot to me. That is kind of really motivating to me. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.